Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech with No Code. I am Sahira Mehta. I recently posted about this automation that allows me to transfer my Zoom recordings to Google Drive, and many of you have requested to get a hands-on of it. It took me 30 minutes to build this automation, but it has saved me 40 plus hours of my manual time, which is a huge time saver. To get started, download the automation from the description below and follow the video along till the end to see how this works. Let's go to make.com. you, a tool that allows me to create no code automations. You can get started for free. I'm already signed up, so I'm going to sign in now. Once you're signed in, you will be landing onto the dashboard page. Click on create new scenario. Now let's import the scenario that we have downloaded. Let's go to more. Let's click on import blueprint. Let's choose the automation that you downloaded and click on save. That's it. Your automation is ready. But there are still few steps that needs to be done before we start running this automation. So this is the month variable which using which I download my Zoom recordings or transfer my Zoom recordings based on the month. So let's keep it 1 for now, which means January. Set an year, which is 2024. Get recordings based on month. So it will get recordings for the first one that we set over here. To get recordings from your Zoom account, you will need to create a connection. Click on add, give your connection a name, click on save, and you will be redirected to the Zoom sign in page. Sign into your Zoom account, and that's it. The connection is created. For this demo purposes, I have kept the limit to 1. You can increase the limit to 1000 or you can keep it empty as you wish for. So once a meeting is found, it will download the meeting data. Make sure to choose the connection for your Zoom account. Then once the meeting data is downloaded, it will upload it onto your Google Drive. Choose the folder that you where you want your meetings to get stored, and that's it. Once this step gets completed, it will move to this variable which says that this month is completed. Let's see how this works. Let's click on run one. So it got the recording, it has downloaded the recording, it has uploaded onto my Google Drive. I got the file ID and it says month 1 is completed. I hope you like this video. Feel free to share your feedback in the comments. Do like, share, and subscribe for more such videos and insights. Thank you.